Welcome to Daily Scripture Reading, Matthew chapter 16, beginning at verse 1 and ending at verse 12. This is the Amplified Version. Pharisees test Jesus. Now the Pharisees and Sadducees came up and testing Jesus to get something to use against him. They asked him to show them a sign from heaven which would support his divine authority. But he replied to them, "When it is evening, you say, 'It will be fair weather, for the sky is red,' and in the morning, 'It will be stormy today.' For the sky is red and has a threatening look. You know how to interpret the appearance of the sky, but cannot interpret the signs of the times. An evil and morally unfaithful generation craves a miraculous sign, but no sign will be given to it except the sign of the prophet Jonah." Then he left them and went away. When the disciples reached the other side of the sea, they realized that they had forgotten to bring bread. Jesus said to them, "Watch out and be on your guard against the leaven of the Pharisees and Sadducees." They began to discuss this among themselves, saying, "He said that because we did not bring bread." But Jesus, aware of this, said, "You men of little faith, why are you discussing among yourselves that you have no bread? Do you still not understand or remember the 5 loaves for the 5,000 and how many baskets you picked up? Or the 7 loaves for the 4,000 and how many large baskets you picked up? How is it that you fail to understand that I was not talking to you about bread? But beware of the leaven of the Pharisees and Sadducees." Then they understood that he did not tell them to beware of the leaven of bread, but of the false teaching of the Pharisees and Sadducees. The end. God bless you and thank you for joining me today.